And regret loves the phrase, if only. Too often I find myself in conversations with parents as they have gotten older, and they regret the fact that they didn't spend more time with their kids when they were little. And now as their kids have gotten older, not only did they lose those moments with them, but the relationship is not where they want it to be. Or talk to others that perhaps have struggles in their marriage, and a lot of it comes down to the fact that they work too many hours, and they just wish they could go back and not have spent so much time at the workplace. That in like the heat of the moment, you're in a conversation and your emotions were running high, and you said some things and you just pull it back and you think, man, I regret what I said. And now you feel the sense of, or maybe as we think about this weekend of Thanksgiving, and there's certain people not around your table because there was a dispute years ago that may not have seemed so significant at the time, but you went away mad and angry and you haven't spoken since.